Dave, this government are committed to delivering Ireland's first cost rental scheme, and work is well underway with 35 million in funding for Budget 2021 made available to approved housing bodies to deliver approximately 400 homes this year in 2021 at rates which are 25% below the open market value.
Cost rental housing was a key commitment in the programme for government. It means that tenants will only pay rent to cover the cost of building, managing and maintaining their homes. It means households on moderate incomes will be able to secure affordable housing that meets their needs.
The government will also introduce the largest housing budget in the history of the state. The cost rental model will see the introduction of affordable homes in areas such as Cork City and the suburbs of other local authorities. If successful, the Land Development Agency and other stakeholders will see a further rollout of this cost rental model across the country.
The new cost rental scheme will give an expanded role to the approved housing body sector to allow it support households on moderate income in need of quality affordable homes and those looking for security of tenure.
Through the Affordable Housing Bill 2020, we will place this new cost rental model on a legislative basis, a critical step towards our objective of housing for all.